In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Jpmorgan Chase locations near me. If you need to locate a Chase branch or ATM quickly, the easiest place to start is the official Chase Locator website. Open your browser and go to the Chase Locator page. Once the page loads, you'll see tools designed to help you find nearby banking locations in just a few clicks. On the Locator page, you can search for a Chase branch or ATM near you in a few different ways. This is helpful because not everyone looks for locations the same way. Some people already know the city or zip code they want to search in, while others prefer to let the website detect their location automatically. The first option is to use the search bar. Simply click into the search field and type in your city, state, or zip code. This method works well if you want to look for a branch in a specific area, especially if you're planning ahead or searching for a location near work, home, or an upcoming trip. After entering your location, the site will show Chase branches and ATMs that match your search. Another convenient option is to click Use My Location. If you choose this, your browser may ask for permission to access your location. Allowing that permission helps the Chase Locator identify where you are and display the closest branches and ATMs automatically. This is usually the fastest method if you want results based on where you are right now. You can also click Browse by State if you'd rather explore locations manually. This is useful when you want to search within a particular state without typing anything into the search bar. After selecting Browse by State, you'll be taken to a page that lists available states. From there, choose a state. Once you select one, the website will display Chase locations in that state. Depending on the area, you may see multiple branches and ATMs listed, making it easier to compare your options. Finally, choose a branch near you from the results. You can review the available locations and pick the one that works best for you. As you do this, it's a good idea to check the branch details carefully, such as the address and any location-specific information shown on the page, so you can make sure it's the right place before heading out. And that's it. By using the search bar, your current location, or the Browse by State option, you can quickly find a Chase branch or ATM that's convenient for you.